Welcome to the Finance Club. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 dividend stocks to buy now. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. There's no disputing that last year's stock market volatility was worsened by the pandemic-driven slump. American Airlines Group, NASDAQ, AAL, Carnival Corporation and PLC, NYSE, CCL, The Walt Disney Company, NYSE, DIS, and AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, NYSE, AMC, are among the major dividend-paying businesses that have reduced or stopped dividend payments in 2020, creating chaos for income investors. During the pandemic, dividend-paying companies like as Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, the Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, and International Business Machines Corporation, NYSE, IBM, gained momentum by maintaining or even raising their dividend payments. Number 10. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated is the first company on our list of the 10 top dividend-paying companies to purchase right now, NASDAQ, TROW. The asset management company headquartered in Maryland offers financial services to customers all around the world. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated, NASDAQ, TROW, pays a $4.32 per share annual dividend and yields 2.12%. For the last 35 years, the financial company has raised its yearly dividend. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated, NASDAQ, TROW, was given an equal weight rating by Morgan Stanley on August 2, with a price objective of $211 per share. In the preceding year, the stock increased by 50%. The business is valued at over $47 billion. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated, NASDAQ, TROW, announced an EPS of $3.31 in the second quarter of 2021, surpassing expectations by 10 cents. The company's second quarter sales was $1.93 billion, which was $20.5 million more than expected. T. Rowe Price Group Incorporated, NASDAQ, TROW, stock has up 13% in the last 3 months. Number 9. Essex Property Trust Incorporated. The 9th greatest dividend-paying stock to buy right now is Essex Property Trust Incorporated, NYSE, ESS. On the West Coast, the REIT owns approximately 246 apartment complexes. Essex Property Trust Incorporated, NYSE, ESS, has a dividend yield of 2.55% and pays an annual dividend of $8.36 per share. For the last 27 years, the REIT has raised its yearly dividend. On July 15, KeyBank analyst Jordan Sadler maintained his overweight rating on Essex Property Trust Incorporated, NYSE, ESS, and raised the firm's price objective from $300 to $341 per share. In the last year, the stock has increased by 53%. The company's market capitalization is $21.3 billion. Essex Property Trust Incorporated, NYSE, ESS, announced an EPS of $3.04 in the second quarter of 2021, surpassing expectations by 5 cents. The company's revenue during the second quarter was $350.98. Essex Property Trust Incorporated, NYSE, ESS, has had its stock rise 14.5% in the last 3 months. Number 8. General Dynamics Corporation. General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE, GD, is the 8th best dividend-paying stock to purchase right now, according to the list of 10 best dividend-paying companies to buy right now. The industrial firm headquartered in Virginia sells military vehicles and communication equipment. The yearly dividend paid by General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE, GD, is $4.76 per share, with a dividend yield of 2.43%. For the last 30 years, the military firm has raised its yearly dividend. Wells Fargo maintained its overweight rating on General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE, GD, with a $220 price target on July 30. After the defense business reported a solid Q2 quarter, Credit Suisse analyst Robert Spingarn maintained a neutral rating on General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE, GD, and raised the firm's price objective to $198 per share from $182. Year to date, the stock has increased by 32%. The business has a $55 billion market capitalization. General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE, GD, announced an EPS of $2.61 in the second quarter of 2021, surpassing expectations by 6 cents. The company's sales in the second quarter was $9.2 billion, increasing 17.9% year over year, but $97.4 million short of expectations. Number 7. International Business Machines Corporation. The International Business Machines Corporation, NYSE, IBM, is ranked 7th among the top 10 dividend-paying companies to purchase right now. The New York-based IT company offers IT and cloud solutions all around the world. International Business Machines Corporation, NYSE, IBM, pays a $6.56 per share annual dividend with a dividend yield of 4.65%. For the last 25 years, the IT firm has raised its yearly dividend. Morgan Stanley analyst Katie Huberty maintained an equal weight rating on International Business Machines Corporation, NYSE, IBM, on July 20, raising the firm's price target to $164 per share from $152 previously, citing the company's strong Q2 results in the cloud and cognitive software and global business services segments as evidence of the company's ability to achieve feasible mid-single-digit growth. In July, NYSE, IBM, bolstered its data and hybrid cloud consulting services by purchasing Maryland-based DevOps consultancy Boxboat Technologies and IT company BlueTab Solutions Group, SL International Business Machines Corporation, NYSE, IBM, spent $1.75 billion on acquisitions during the quarter. Number 6. Chevron Corporation. Chevron Corporation, NYSE, CVX, is ranked 6th among the top 10 dividend-paying companies to purchase right now. The energy company headquartered in California trades and operates crude oil and natural gas reserves all over the globe. The yearly dividend paid by General Chevron Corporation, NYSE, CVX, is $5.36 per share, with a dividend yield of 5.26%. For the last 34 years, the oil and gas business has increased its yearly dividend. Chevron Corporation, NYSE, CVX, announced intentions to exceed 600,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day in the Permian Basin by the end of the year in the final week of July. Meanwhile, the company's worldwide net oil equivalent production was 3.13 million barrels per day in the second quarter, up 5% over the previous quarter. In the past 12 months, the stock has increased by 18%. Number 5. Cisco Corporation. Cisco Corporation, NYSE, SYY, is ranked 5th among the top 10 dividend stocks to purchase right now. The company, which is headquartered in Texas, offers food, kitchen equipment, and tabletop goods. Cisco Corporation, NYSE, SYY, pays a $1.88 per share annual dividend, yielding 2.53%. For the last 41 years, the consumer products company has raised its yearly dividend. On August 3, UBS analyst Mark Carden initiated coverage on Cisco Corporation, NYSE, SYY, with a buy rating and an $89 price target, saying that the company's flexible financial sheet would benefit restaurants post-COVID-19. The company's market capitalization is $37.44 billion. Cisco Corporation, NYSE, SYY, announced 22 cents EPS in the third quarter of fiscal year 2021, surpassing expectations by 10 cents. The company's fiscal third quarter sales was $11.8 billion, which was $12.39 billion more than expected. Number 4. The Coca-Cola Company. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, is ranked number 4 on our list of the top 10 dividend stocks to purchase right now. Since 1964, the Georgia-based global beverage business has paid dividends to its shareholders. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, owns and distributes over 200 brands in over 200 countries. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, has a dividend yield of 2.95% and pays an annual dividend of $1.68 per share. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, has increased by 21% in the past year. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, NYSE, SKO, price objective was increased to $65 per share from $60 per share by Truist analyst Bill Chappell, who maintained his buy recommendation on the company. The company's long-term emphasis on profitability, according to the analyst, will be rewarded. Number 3. Exxon Mobil Corporation. Exxon Mobil Corporation, NYSE, XOM, is number 3 on our list of the top 10 dividend-paying companies to purchase right now. In the United States, the Texas-based oil and gas company operates approximately 12,000 branded stations. Exxon Mobil Corporation, NYSE, XOM, pays a $3.48 per share annual dividend, or 5.91%. For the last 37 years, the American oil and gas company has raised its yearly dividend. The company's market capitalization is $243.77 billion. Exxon Mobil Corporation, NYSE, XOM, announced an ex-items EPS of $1.10 in the second quarter of 2021, surpassing expectations of 97 cents. The company's second quarter sales was $67.74 billion, which was more than the $65.02 billion forecast. XOM stock has increased by 32% in the past year. Number 2. AbbVie Inc. The second greatest dividend-paying stock to purchase right now is AbbVie Incorporated, NYSE, ABBV. Humira, Vicira, and Imbruvica are among the medicinal medicines manufactured by the Illinois-based healthcare business. AbbVie Incorporated, NYSE, ABBV, pays a $5.20 yearly dividend and has a 4.47% yield. For the last 37 years, the American oil and gas company has raised its yearly dividend. AbbVie Incorporated, NYSE, ABBV, bought Allergan for $63 billion last year. The purchase will help the business expand its product line in the market. AbbVie Incorporated, NYSE, ABBV, stock has increased by 22% in the past year. Number 1. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson, a global corporation based in the United States, is at the top of the list of the 10 best dividend-paying stocks to purchase right now, NYSE, J&J. Medical equipment, pharmaceuticals, and consumer products are all manufactured by the New Jersey-based consumer goods company. Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, which began paying dividends in 1972, is one of the finest dividend-paying companies to purchase right now. Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, pays a $4.24 per share annual dividend, yielding 2.46%. With an overweight rating and a price target of $187 per share, Morgan Stanley analyst David Risinger assumed coverage on Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, in May. The analyst thinks that medicine's momentum will continue to be strong, and that J&J's 3 divisions will do well. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thanks for watching.